need to keep pushing and keep doing it. And for me, like, it's the numbers. Like, don't rely on the numbers. Don't think of the numbers. Like, if you love it, just keep doing it and results will come. Like, I didn't think like little me would make it onto Glam Masters, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have a huge social media following. I don't have this and that, but if you're passionate about something and you're good at something and you just keep pushing, like, results will come. So that's my advice. Just keep pushing and trust yourself and listen to yourself. And
I agree with her. I definitely think do not give up. That this is something that the universe is going to test you with everything that you do. If you really want it, it's going to test you. You're going to go through so much ups and downs. You're going to want to give up. I've wanted to give up so many times. If I would have never been able to experience the things I've experienced in my career. But just know what you want. Be very clear about what you want when you come to this school. What's your outcome? What do you see in your future? I think that's important, to set realistic goals. And, you know, for me, I think the day I started school, don't wait till you're out of school. Start your career the day that you have this valuable information at hand to you every day. Use that, build yourself up, build your career while you're here. That's why you go to school, to really build. I think for me, that was what made me so successful so quickly. And, you know, you never know. Keep yourself open to so many different opportunities, because you never know what's going to happen. You never know. And we come from different worlds. Like with you, like you are a smaller influencer. With me, I am a bigger influencer, but we're on the same level. So don't look at the numbers. We're on the same level. We have the same opportunities. So, you know, just matters about your skill and your personality, of course.
Glam Master airs February 28th on Lifetime TV. So that is the premiere of the show, but again, everybody is on different episodes. So there is 6 episodes of different artists, and then if you make it on your episode, then you'll go to the semifinals, and then if you make that, then you'll go to the finals. So you can see me on March 28th. That is my episode, the 5th episode.
And mine's going to be episode 2, which is going to be on March 7th. And it's on at 10 p.m., so we're really excited. We hope that you guys tune in. Yeah, it's a really amazing show, and we can't wait for you guys to watch.
Yeah.